money you spend, sometimes the less fun it gets. Now I'm Dick Hamm, and we're at LS Fest West in Vegas. This is absolutely my first time at LS Fest, and it probably shouldn't be because I live in Tucson, which is not that far away. And it won't be my last, I'll tell you that much. It's a 75 AMC Pacer. Got a 2001 Gen 3 5.3, flipped it over and put a cam and put some valve springs I got from a swap meet in it. And then TH400 and an 8.5 clipless 10 bolt that's welded up. Yeah, we just went 1.7 to 60 foot, made some changes. I've been kind of slowly getting into it. Tuning wise, it's fresh. I just built it in 16 days. I did like a video each day on my YouTube channel and pretty much thrashed as hard as I could to get it here. And not only that, but apparently it's staying together and steadily going faster, so I couldn't be happier. Interestingly enough, me and my best friend James are kind of normal car guys, and over the years it just seems like we keep getting into more abstract things. So when this came up on Craigslist, we picked it up and then went ahead and get to thrashing and get it out here. So it's kind of like choosing something oddball and different that was also something that I do think is cool. It took me a little while, but I'm definitely into it. I have a 71 GTO that's a real pretty car, and I enjoy it very much. I've had it since I was 19. Day to day, this is the car you want. Not necessarily maybe this one for you or whatever you choose, but choose something you like, go out there, have fun, wrench with your family, wrench with your friends, get into it, get involved, and just never look back. Keep smiling and have fun.
Time, your time is out. Time